Social media is a double-edged knife. You can use it for good, you can use it for bad. So the point is, we have to be responsible in what we share online and how much information we share online. We are trying to portray someone whom we are not. So Chandish in Coimbatore, Chandish in Instagram, they are very different. So we try to portray someone whom we are not, and we try to do something which we never would like to do. Just because we will get more likes and your friends will feel that it's very, very good and cool. So whenever you are talking to someone on Instagram, so please think a lot on who that person is and whether that you know that person really. When we are trying to look out for friends, there are so many in a school, right? There are so many in a school. You go to tuition, you go to coaching. There are so many avenues where you find real people. So all of you should be careful. So you should not think that if someone puts a beautiful photo or if someone puts a beautiful video, you should think that, this is awesome. So this person seems cool. Why not chat with them? So why not be very close to them and all that? So book reading is another suggestion which I want to tell you. Just 5 pages per day, that's enough. Please develop some game or sport, okay? Wants to give you some recreation. Sports is the best thing. Actually, parents should encourage that. Be responsible, be vigilant, be very, very careful when you are talking to some new fellow.